Okay, Thursday morning, New York. Here we have our Jeep. As you can see, we got a beautiful sky here today going on. We just got done replacing this radio and making the audio work. I'd like to send you a video and let you see how well everything's doing. Your Jeep's in great shape. If you want to just get a good view of what you have here as a reminder of what you're going to have when you come home. We're doing good. We're doing good. So we're going to pop inside here. This is the new one. All right. So 104.3. I'm assuming you like rock. So if the display's acting funny, it's because when we record this, it's not coming through. But I assure you the display is fine. Okay? So we're good. I think you like Tom Petty, so we got some Tom Petty going for you. So your Jeep's in good shape. You're ready to rock and roll. Okay? If you have any questions, text your mom and she can get back to me, and we can do whatever you need so everything's ready for you when you come home. But you're good. And if you need to get this on top of a mountain as an image or a video, I'll do that for you too. Okay? Hey, have a great weekend.